Just wanted to do a quick video. I've noticed that several of you don't have voicemail greetings set up, so I'm going to walk through how to do that really quickly. We're going to go to More, Voicemail.
Welcome to our voicemail system. Please enter your password, then press pound.
Everyone's password is the same, 4801 4801, and then pound.
You have no messages to review. To establish or change your greeting, press 2.
You would press 2.
To change user preference, press 3. To establish or change your forwarding rule, press 4. To set a specific greeting, press 5. To activate the announcement only mode.
So double check by again going to More, hitting voicemail.
Welcome to our voicemail system. Please enter your password, then press pound.
Password 4801 4801, then pound.
You have no messages to review. To establish or change your greeting, press 2.
And then press 2.
To change user preference,
just make sure that you've got them all set up. Dave and I went through, actually Dave went through and recorded first and last name, but I've noticed there are several users that may have recorded voicemail but didn't select that after it was recorded, so there's nothing there except the general greeting. So please verify that you have your voicemail set up correctly. Thank you.